First thing you're gonna do, you need to remove the clip. This is the clip. After you remove the clip, you need to turn it counterclockwise. Then after that, pull. This is the old bulb that is busted. I'm going to replace it with new one. This is the new one that I'm going to replace. H11 Sylvania. After it's seated properly, you need to turn clockwise, facing downward. Now it's facing downward. Then the next thing, we're going to put back the connector. That's it. It is very simple.
If this is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that every time I will upload a new video, you will be notified.